Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Goodmans Edge stereo earphones. Without further ado, let us start the video. So this is the box on screen. From the top, Goodmans Music Anywhere Everywhere Edge stereo earphones, high quality acoustic design, lightweight, iPod, iPhone, iPad compatible and Android compatible. Box from the side, the back, the bottom, the right hand side. Let's now get into the box itself. Nothing else in the box. What do we have here? Just the headphones themselves. Instruction manual, guarantee and safety. We have a pack of earbuds to replace when the ones we are working with are no longer usable. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing video tutorial. Thanks for now.